Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can delete cookies on the Brave browser. So let us get started. Launch the Brave browser on your desktop computer or on a laptop. And here on your home screen, guys, what you will need to do is click on these three lines here in the very top right corner and select delete browsing data from that drop-down menu. Or alternately, guys, you may also use the shortcut Control-Shift delete on your keyboard. That is going to redirect you to this window here, delete browsing data. So switch from basic to advanced. And what you want to do, guys, is simply make sure that cookies and other site data below, from that list below, is selected. You may select or unselect the other parts of your browsing data. That's totally up to you guys. But if you'd like to delete the cookies, make sure that this here is selected, cookies and other site data. And last but not least, decide for what time range you would like to delete the cookies for. So you may, for example, leave it at all times so that all time cookies will be deleted for your browsing data, or go with selected time range like the last hour or the last day. And finalize this by clicking on delete data here. That is going to delete your cookies and other site data on Brave browser. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.